Hello everyone, this is Richard V, co-COO and legal advisor, launchpad manager of YFDAI. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough video on the upgraded YFDAI interface with the new products we've launched, and let's get started. So here's the home page with the scrolling banner and all the information that's been put in. If we go and launch the dashboard, connect the wallet, let's go to the farming for now. I'm going to show you how to do farming, but I want to harvest these SSGTX tokens. We've changed the symbol here now to show SSGTX, not SSGT pending. I added some liquidity last night to this pool. I've already earned 88 SSGTX, about $5. And I also added liquidity to the DFIT USDT pool, about $4,000. And you see the APR is 1306 right now. It was 14 something last night. When I first put it in, it was like 16,000. So as more people add liquidity, this should, reflect that. So let's see if the harvest works. When you do this, always boost the gas to over 50. Otherwise the transactions can be rather slow, and when it's over 50, I found that they always go through relatively quickly. I'm going to pause just to let it, it already did it, so I don't need to. But you see it's harvested. If I go to my wallet now, see the assets. I have SSGTX 816. That was just harvested from the wallet. And no SSGT, so it's paying out in proper new tokens. I might as well harvest these as well. Again, edit the fee if you want it to happen quickly. Fees are really inexpensive on Matic, so there's no point in not boosting the gas fees to get it pushed through as quickly as possible. And this wallet is paying 226 APR right now, and the liquidity is 27,000 with a 12x multiplier. So what you can do now with the SSGTX tokens is, if you want to add more liquidity to this farm, for example. You see, I'm pretty sure I have USDT in my wallet as I bridged it over. Yeah, I still have some. You can use the Polygon bridge to bring in Ethereum chain tokens. That's at wallet.polygon.technology bridge, and then you just select the token you want to bridge from the Ethereum chain to the Polygon chain and start the transfer. I had an issue last night with DFIT tokens. It shows on the transactions page that they went through. However, for whatever reason, they're not showing up in my wallet. It's been 11 hours now, so it's more than enough time that this bridge should have happened. I was reading the chat. I noticed that somebody else mentioned that they had used Ferrum as their bridge, so I don't know if it's something to do with there being a different improperly mapped contract or whatever, but we'll figure that out with Matic and DFIT and whoever, our own devs. Anyway, that's how the bridging works. But to create the pool tokens, you have to go to SafeSwap, obviously, and there's your swap function and then the pool function. You click add liquidity, you select the tokens, select the default SafeSwap list. USDT is one of them. And then the other token is going to be SSGTX, and still not on the list here, so we have to import it. Okay, so import the SSGTX, add it, and then I'm going to click max, because that'll give me the corresponding amount of USDT to create the LP tokens. And then I've already done the approve function last night when I went ahead and supplied the initial liquidity, but if this is the first time you're doing it, you're going to have two other transactions. You need to approve USDT and SSGTX before you can supply. Since I've already done it once, I don't have to do that again, so it has the approval to spend from the MetaMask wallet. Confirm supply. It's showing me the stats. 0.2% of the pool it would be. Again, edit to gas. You don't want to wait. Transaction submitted. Okay, so that was it. Success 30 seconds ago. Added the respective tokens to the supply. And now I have the LP tokens in my wallet. I already have the pair. See that SSGTX right here? An SSGTX V2, which is the point created, and it shows the position here that was just added. Now go back to the farming page, and you want to click the stake button. Max, it populates. Then click stake. Now I know there's a stake fee of 1.5% here. People have been asking about, when they migrate their SSGT to SSGTX staking, whether they can get a refund of the fee to withdraw, which is 0.5% plus the fee to stake. And I believe that's something the YFDAI should reimburse everyone for. So we'll take snapshots and figure out what everyone's what the fees were, so we can reimburse the wallets. Anyway, click stake and hit the gas. Transaction in progress. Done. So now my total stake is 0.00849 and total liquidity 27,675. We can check the liquidity as it's going to steadily increase on the SafeSwap through the analytics page. If you look at the pairs, you can see the liquidity. And the volume, the fees created. For some reason it's not showing up. Like if I click DFIT USDT, I should be able to see the transactions here on the pair information. There it goes. So showing the ratios, I guess. Anyway, that's the way you check that. Go back to the so staking is up and running. Now when I go to harvest my pending SSGT, again, it's a small amount, $5, but the gas fee is like 0.005 Matic. It's nothing. So we're going to harvest those SSGT and we can test the conversion function. See, I could have staked my SSGTX as well to earn 72% APY, but I went ahead and provided liquidity to the SSGTX and USDT pair to get a higher APY for the time being. Yes, it's subject to impermanent loss as the value of the tokens, fluctuate with normal trading volume and volatility. Just as a test here, if I wanted to unstake my SSGT now and move it over to SSGTX, see, now it's showing the proper amount up here. If I click max, okay, it's only populating that. If I click on NFTs and view all, take out the amount here, click unstake, error, invalid big number value. Okay, so I'm going to have to get with the devs on this question of why when I go to unstake, if I put in the amount manually, it's not. Oh, wait a minute. 47. Okay, maybe that's how it's done. To do it that way. I don't know. Let me see if we can leave this blank now and try to unstake. Boost it up. So far it hasn't thrown an error. Unstaking in progress. So staked is now showing 24.89. Nothing pending because it automatically captures the pending SSGT. Let's see if they're in my wallet. Yeah, 117,000. I don't know why it didn't claim all, because I clicked on all 47 NFTs. Let me see. It shows 0 NFTs, but this amount staked. Let me try to unstake this. Click max. Okay, it populated it with the right amount. See if it updates. Yeah, okay, so 0 now staked in the old contract, and I'm gonna go now use the swap function, and it shows my balance in the wallet 119,478. Click max. It did populate correctly. It's telling me it's gonna give me 238,957, which is, from my rough calculations, 2 to 1. There's a balance is 1.5 SSGTX in my wallet, but let's go ahead and swap that. Again, I always edit the gas. And once I've done this transaction, I should have 238,957 SSGTX, which I'm going to move into the it shows now, right, 238,959. That was pretty fast. Now we'll go back to staking, and I'm going to click the stake button, max, and again, the fees, the unstake fee and the stake fee. Actually, I don't see the stake fee on this side. Maybe they've removed it. No, this time it was on 50. Strange. Confirm. So far there's $241,000 worth of SSGTX in the staking pool, and when my approximately 7,000 goes in, now it's 249, and it shows SSGTX staked. Oh, there it is. The stake fee shows up again now, since it just went away once I clicked the button. So these are the fees, the 0.5% unstake and the 1.5 that we're gonna have to do a refund. And it's already earning rewards at 72% fixed APY. So all that works. Launchpad, token incubator, you have all of your pending vesting tokens. I've claimed all mine, so the last ones I claimed were the SSGT airdrops. Those are finished now. We did the last one in SSGTX. And safe trade, this still functions for the discount on the NFTs. So if you want to add YFDAI here, okay, you got to switch to the Ethereum network to do it, because this hasn't been mapped over to Polygon yet. I'll have to check with the devs on that, if that's going to be done. I know we have on SafeSwap, wrong network. Why is it giving me that? Connect to the Ethereum network. just loading here. I don't know why it's taking so long. Oh, here it is. Okay, so it's showing me balances in my Ethereum wallet. YFDAI. I want to swap YFDAI to, say, USDT. 3. It'll allow that with a 0.8% price impact. $28 worth. If I try to go more, it's still allowing it. I'll try to go 1.5, let's say. It's showing a price impact of 28.78. That is the result of lack of liquidity. So, curious why this is on the Ethereum exchange. This one is on switch to Polygon. Switch network. Okay, so in here I have some YFDAI as well on the Polygon, which likewise, if I want to go and turn it into USDT, it's going to have a 9% price impact for swapping one YFDAI. Minimum received 884 USDT when the current price of YFDAI is 981, and now it's saying insufficient liquidity. So that's a problem until we get the liquidity raised, obviously, but at least the exchange is functioning. So let's go back here and let's see if the YFDAI staking is functioning properly now, because it wasn't appearing yesterday. One of the many bugs we had. But you got to go back to the Ethereum network to see your... Okay, so there it is, showing up. Staked YFDAI on Ethereum network. 2,800 stakers, total stake $10,656,572 worth of YFDAI. I could harvest this, but I'm $567. They want $38 in gas. I guess the Y has come down quite a bit from yesterday when it was much higher. So it just jumped up to $43. This is what we were obviously trying to get away from on moving to Matic. Just go ahead and confirm it works. This will probably take longer than on Matic, so I'm going to pause for a second. Okay, finally completed. And I want to stake that 0.567 I just harvested. $85, $70. Go ahead and pause this to make sure the transaction goes through. Okay, so we show success as far as adding that 0.567 to the staking pool. 51.89 did not update. Let me refresh the page and see if it does. Yeah, so it did stake the tokens, the YFDAI on the Ethereum blockchain. As far as the lottery is concerned, I talked to Davin this morning, we're gonna close out the .01 pool at the end of this month. He's gonna be working on that when he gets back. Governance link takes you to the snapshot.org site where you can join, agree to the terms, legal terms, read through that. It's not long. Agree. Connect your wallet. Okay, now you can see new proposals, if any, and the actions that you can do. So that's functioning, it seems. Well, that's everything on the list. I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording here of this walkthrough video, have the devs review it and do any further fixes to the platform. We'll get this put out live, and I appreciate you watching, and I hope that you found this video to be helpful. If you have any questions, you can hit me up, DM me in the chats. Take care. Thank you.